The lawyer for two plaintiffs who sought an injunction against the NPP primaries in two constituencies, Samson Atiwa, says his clients will pursue the substantive cases in court. In the Atiwa East constituency, Eric Ofori Ejako is challenging his disqualification from the contest, while in the Asante Akim North, over 100 delegates are alleging their names were removed from the photo album. Mr. Ayenini says the courts will decide the fate of the elections in the two constituencies.
There were injunction processes. For one of them, that is for the Atiwa East constituency, there was not going to be a primary held there because there was only one candidate at the end who was supposed to go unopposed. So our client's suit is challenging his disqualification, and that is Eric Ofori Ejako. His disqualification at the vetting and at the level of the appeal to the party. What he's seeking eventually is that the court may order for him to participate in primaries that will eventually lead to the selection of a candidate by the NPP for the Atiwa East constituency. Evans Nimako went ahead to say that the Electoral Commission had also called them to inform them that they had received the injunction process. On the basis of that, the Electoral Commission too was unable to conduct or supervise the process in Asante Akim North. How they managed in Asante Akim North to proceed with a purported primary is their own business. I am yet to have any further instructions from my clients, who are the almost 200 delegates whose names have been removed from the register that should have been used for the primaries. So whatever happens in that regard also, they may have gone ahead and done whatever they did with or without the Electoral Commission and with or without all the candidates required to be in the process, and also more importantly, with or without our clients, the delegates, almost 200 of them whose names have been removed in a most fraudulent way. The question that will be answered in the courtroom subsequently is that if their case finds favor with the courts, there will be a primary. So this, for all intents and purposes, may have been a useless exercise and a waste of money and effort and time, because I think they should have demonstrated that they are law-abiding, that the party at the national office says because of an injunction, don't proceed. We have also heard from the Electoral Commission, because they too have been sued as a defendant, and they also say they have received this, so they cannot do the process. And they make a clear announcement that don't organize elections there, and yet somehow somebody manages to organize an election there, and candidates, as I can read around, got 500 plus